Alright, we're in the Tesla Model 3. We're gonna do a quick drive with this car. We're gonna show you guys pretty much driving around town, highways, and show you some features while driving this car. There's so many things that this car comes with, and I want to showcase some of those things, such as the I mean, just right now we're parked. When you're parking, this thing senses all the parking lines. It literally helps you with parking the car. So, and then because you got cameras all around, you know, trying to help you navigate your way around parking or on the road. So to get this car going, it's quite different from many cars. If you haven't driven an electric car before, this might be a little bit different. If you're trying to buy one or looking to buy one, I think this will be a good tutorial for you guys. So first thing, get in the car with this. You just put it here to drive around or in your pocket, and to go or to start going, you have this lever here, which is, yeah, it's reverse, neutral, drive, and then cruise control, and then park. So park's press this button. So we're in park right now. So if you want to get going, you press the brakes, then just push it down once, and as you can see, you got drive. So if I press the throttle, we'll start moving. Press the brakes. If you want to reverse, just push it up, and then we can go reverse. So you can see how we have so many cameras here to detect and show you what lines and where you are in the parking lot, which is pretty cool. You can see just about everything. So you press this to park, and then you get out your car, and literally it shuts off on its own as long as you lock it. So all right, let's get going. Press drive, and we're off. So another thing with this car that you have to get used to is the regenerative brakes. So when you actually let off the accelerator, it brakes for you. I mean, you still have to tap the brakes, but not as hard as you normally would in a gas powered car. So if you look in the screen here, you can see there's lines, so it's constantly scanning the road, and you can see the camera for a blind spot. So this car aids you to drive safer, in a sense, which is amazing. We can always use technology to keep us safe, and I think that's amazing. And this is a great car. The only thing I can see is some of the issues. I would say is, I think it's obviously electric cars, but it's charging this car. So I just got done doing a supercharger charging station, and it's okay. It's 15 minutes depending on how long the charge, but I mean, I don't want to sit in a car for 15 minutes to charge it close to full. Let's say, I don't know, 80-90%. So that's one big disadvantage. I like to just get up and go. I don't want to wait around. So each time you turn, it actually activates the camera, so you can see. You can kind of play around too with the cameras, so you can see. So press this icon, the camera icon, and you can see the front, I mean the back, side, and then you, let me see, sure you can see the front. Oh, you hear that little chime or ringtone or whatever? That's to, if you weren't paying attention to the traffic light, it'll tell you. The thing with this car too, it's even this is the base model, it's pretty quick car. So we're cruising along 40 miles per hour, and you press the accelerator just slightly. I mean, you saw that. That was quick. Kind of quick. So yeah, so the torque is, it's a lot of torque that just in a split second it just goes. There's no waiting around. You know, you don't have to worry about power bands. You know, you're always on power. So as soon as you press the throttle, you're off. You're not playing around waiting on the revs, the drivetrain to get ready. It just goes. So watch out for any electric cars. You're trying to race one of them on a dead stop, you're gonna get smoked. Kind of show you guys the acceleration speed of this car. So another thing with the regenerative brakes, you got to be smooth with the accelerator. Letting it go, you have to just not abruptly let off your throttle. You have to gradually let it off and then press the brakes if needed. So that's one tip driving this car. So let's see, let's give it a bit of throttle once we hit this green light. So there's a lot of Teslas around now. It's taken over in California. Well, it has taken over. I've seen Teslas all around, which is good. Come on, green light, let's go. Oh my God. Wow, that was kind of quick. If you're sitting here, you'll know. That was kind of intoxicating. Just flat to the floor and it just flies or teleports. And yeah, that could be addicting and that could get you in trouble. So I don't advocate for reckless driving. Don't do that. All right, we're coming up on the highway, and I would like to demonstrate you guys the Tesla Aware cruise control. It has a nickname TAC, or TAC for short. So this is the other part of having a Tesla that's great. So on the on-ramp, smash the throttle and you're off. You're flying. You can literally zip through the highway. I mean, instantaneous acceleration, like I said. You're just you just get throttle happy with this car. It's all right. Let's activate the TAC. So you have to push this down twice. So if you look, it has these blue lines. That's how you know it's activated. So I'm gonna let go of the steering. It's gonna steer for me, and I'm gonna have it ready just in case. So foot off the throttle. So I'm not touching the throttle at all, and we're just cruising. This is a game changer if you're doing a long drive or even a short drive. I think all cars should have this. This is great. Look, not doing anything. Just drives for me. Change lanes real quick. I just want to change lanes, but let's try that again. So look, it just drives. We just want to be mindful. you still want to be in control of the car while you're doing this, but this is cool. I'm not doing anything. I'm just ready just in case. But look at that. And if there's a car that pulls in front of me, it slows down. So that's what's up. We gotta make an exit now. Ah, that was great. Yeah, so there you go. That was a tack. That's, well, I should say autopilot. That's what you normally would call it. So pretty awesome technology to have for your car. And there you have it. A quick review of the Tesla. I think that's enough for me today. So this, if you plan to buy this car, as mentioned, it was 40 grand base price, plus its fees. I think it's not bad if you consider the cost of fuel nowadays are expensive. And yeah, it'll save you, I think, in the long run, plus oil changes, maintenance. I mean, there's maintenance to do with this car, obviously, but I don't think it'll be as bad as the combustion engine. But there you go, quick drive of the Tesla Model 3. Hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next video.